Hi everyone and welcome back to another gluten-free cooking with Dad video. Today we are making chickpea and date bites drizzled with chocolate. This is a very tasty snack, high in protein, so let's get going. First thing we want to do is line a baking tray. I use a little bit of water, it's a nice tip just to let it stick, and then what we want to do is just have it so it drapes just to the edge, because otherwise it will stick to the side once we get in. This is a no-bake recipe, so it's all about blending the ingredients together, adding it to the baking tray. The first thing to do is add 400 grams worth of chickpeas. We then want to add a little bit of water, followed by 75 grams of porridge oats. We then want to blend together. Next we add 200 grams of chopped dates, 150 grams of chopped cashews. Mix together, the lid back on, and blend again until it's all mixed together. You may want to stop halfway and add a little bit of extra water just in case it gets a bit too dry, and then continue to blend. Next we want to add the mixture to the tray. You're going to get a knife and you just want to spread it so it's evenly spread across the tray. There we go, so it's all spread out to the edges as close as it can get, and it's relatively level. So you put that to one side, and the next step is to melt the chocolate. So you want to melt about 60 grams of 70% dark chocolate. I usually do this over the hob because I've had a bad experience with the microwave where it just melts too quickly and ends up burning. So this is definitely the best way. So now the chocolate is melted, what we want to do is drizzle it onto the top of the cashew mixture. And there we have it, we've got the chocolate spread up to the edges as far as they go, and what we do now is pop this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Got a bit of chocolate left on the spatula, so what we do with that is give it to your little person. There you go. Taste test time, so do you want to give them a try?
Yeah.
So the chickpea and date cashew bites.
Oh no, nice.